Gator Edge by FlexLock. 2 different heights for 2 different applications. Also available rigid and flexible in one. For densely graded stone applications, you supply an 8-inch non-galvanized spike every 8 inches. In synthetic base applications such as Gator Base, all you need to do is anchor and zip tie it into place. Hybrid edging from Pave Tool Innovators Aluminum Construction in densely graded stone applications with pavement stitching technology. Spikes are installed and stitched together every 8 inches. In open graded stone, such as permeable or hybrid installations, we have these non-galvanized wedge-shaped spikes. Pavement, wedge. This will resist creep or the horizontal forces placed on pavement. Can also be used in synthetic applications with the anchor systems simply drilled into place. From Techo-Bloc, the Avignon Edge. Slate textured face, split face top, 1 foot long. We supply the anchoring system. You supply an 8-inch non-galvanized spike. You slide that in, it anchors into place so you have a vertical element in the landscape, a restraint for your pavement, and you've encapsulated your bedding. It's available in all the Techo-Bloc colors. We also have the Borealis Edge. As you can see it framing our putting green from Garden Mark Artificial Grass. We began with a compacted soil subgrade. On that, a 4-inch base of number 57 stone. Then we put down the weed mark fabric. Important that it not extend up the sides of our excavated area, just flat. We put in 1 inch of stone dust or sand for its ease of contouring. Then we can put in our green. Once the green is in, we will trim it for any obstructions and any excess material. Our next step will be the fringe, which you see on the outside. That will aid in using the Garden Mark nails every 6 inches, 1 inch in from the edge. It also helps bind the fringe to the green, part of the integrity, part of the character. Our final step will be applying a silica sand or an antimicrobial infill. That gives this putting green life. We're gonna finish with a little wall of Borealis here. We're gonna have another step there, and eventually Borealis Wall as pavement.